Diabetes and heart disease remain major health concerns for Latinos, yet many don't take steps to address these life-threatening illnesses. Vista LA shows us how a museum in downtown Los Angeles is taking a cultural approach to encourage kids and their parents to change their eating habits.
We wanted to do something that no other institution or museum was doing, and that is talking about sustainability in the garden, but also harvesting food from the garden, bring the food to the table, and then just discuss how food is history, food is stories, and food is life. It gives them a good opportunity to understand what's going into their system, especially with a lot of families who battle diabetes or high blood pressure. So when we talk about healthy eating, they have an opportunity to learn how to create a very healthy Mexican, Latin American inspired recipe, essentially taking what they learned here at La Plaza back to their home, back to their community, and having that conversation with their parents and their family.
A lot of the students that come through our doors, they have never really have access to healthy eating. They don't even have markets in their community where they can go buy fruits and vegetables. Here at La Plaza, we focus on primary prevention, which means that we need to start teaching children about healthy eating from the beginning before any problems show up later in life.
Not only do we have cooking classes for students K through 12, but we also have cooking classes for adults in the community.
Who would think that, putting together the pumpkin seeds with roasted tomatoes and habanero will make such a healthy, delicious snack, dip to share with the family, and it's like, hey, I have something new to take to my next party.
You'll see more stories like this on a new Vista LA next Saturday, August 3rd at 6:30 right here on ABC7. You can also see Vista LA stories anytime by going to abc7.com/VistaLA. That's it for